Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build trellis like this so that your plants like beans or like cucumber, bitter melon, they all can climb along your fence. This is a very cheap and efficient way of doing it. So you need basically a twine like this. Okay, you can get it from a lot of places. They are quite cheap. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. Okay, first of all, you got to put some nails, okay, on each side of the fence. Okay, we're going to start tightening up from one end to the other and go from second layer, third layer, and fourth layer. Let's go. Okay, now all these 4 lines are ready, so we can start making our magic like these. The process is very quick and simple. Okay, now it's completed. It looks nice. It's going to work very nicely. So utilize your fence and let the beans, cucumber, bitter melon, and some of these vegetables that need to climb, they're going to climb along your backyard, along the fence, and you can save a lot of space. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something today. Again, I'm not a professional gardener or grower. I'm doing this as a hobby, and I always try to build this in the most cost efficient way and make it organized and doesn't look too ugly either. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Cheers.